Yesterday was the last day of paint, and today I'm going to the construction site to see if everything was finished well. And I really hope so. I'm a bit scared because there were some things that I don't know if they could have been finished in one day, but let's see and let's hope for the best. I am entering in the place. Without all the protections everywhere, actually it looks much better. Seriously, there are many things that they didn't do properly or that they didn't do at all to finish the construction site as soon as possible. Like for example, this door on the other side, it's not painted. Or there are many little finishes like everywhere. We spoke about it and he said, yeah, no worries, I'm gonna do it, etc. And this is not done. So basically, I'm gonna go all around, take pictures of everything and say, okay, these are the things that have to be done before I can pay. We just have to finish it. And yeah, I mean, that's so annoying, you know. He knows that if he didn't finish it properly. And seriously, he has to. I was on the phone with him saying, oh, I guess you saw my email. And he said, well, no. And he directly went to look at it, I think, on his phone. And a few minutes later, he was really not happy about it and he couldn't understand. And I told him, well, did you look at the link I sent you? Because I put all the pictures on the Google Drive. Then he went to check the pictures that were all with a little comments. And he was actually shocked by the work that he left. And I was like, but man, I mean, are you happy about what you did? Like, were you here when the construction site was over, etc.? And he told me, well, yeah, actually I was here, but yeah, I didn't notice all these things. And actually, he was pissed, but totally agreed with me by the fact that he didn't do a good job. Like with all these finishes, that was not a good job at all. And actually, that was a good thing that he realized it, because then we could try to discuss constructively about what to do after to either finish it or let's see. And we had an agreement that it should have been finished in July. I mean, we're still in July, so he could still do it. But the thing is that he has some holidays for a month. That's something that is really common in Europe. Like in the construction field, people take between 2 weeks and 1 month of holidays during the summer, because this is when it's really hot. Everything is kind of closed. It's often in August. And so he told me, well, I can come back mid-August to finish the things. It's gonna take a couple of days or something. Or the other solution is that we go to court if you don't want to pay at all. And I was not interested in this. I want to find a compromise. The solution of finishing mid-August is not something that works for me, because I want to finish it as soon as possible. But I said, okay, let's do this. You come back in a month and we finish it. So now it's stopped again. And we said, okay, talk to you later, blah, 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 ciao, bye. I thought about it for 1 hour, and for me that was not working actually. I don't know, I just want to move forward. I don't want to have something blocked again. So I thought, okay, maybe we can find a compromise to end it now. He doesn't do the finishes and then I just pay partially, not the whole thing, because I still have to finish it. So I called him back and actually he agreed directly for some reason. We agreed that I would pay about 20% of the last bill, which is okay. I'm not winning in it, I think. I mean, he's also probably not winning. So probably that's a good compromise. I mean, at least I can move forward. And I'm not gonna look for someone else to do it. I think I'm gonna try to do some finishes myself with some help. Yeah, I think this journey is never ending, but this is what it is, I guess.